What's up guys, here we have Bluboo S3. This is a super budget phone. I mean, when I say super budget phone, the phone is not very expensive and it's giving you some crazy specifications. Let's open the box up. Yeah, there we have the phone. It's a little bit thick. Well, I understand why. I'm gonna leave that. Yeah, we got the paperwork. Guessing. Okay. Looking at this, it means this will have no audio jack. So this is the paperwork, this is the case. And what are there? Something there. This is a temper glass. The charging cable and the charger adapter. And this is a fast charging adapter. So what else do you have here? Oh, this is a multi-connector cable. And this is an adapter to USB Type-C. Because this phone is 8500 milliamp battery, you can charge other phone with this. Yeah. So that means this can charge your iPhone, any USB cable, charger, and USB Type-C. See, those are the three cables you got. So that's everything in the box. Alright, the phone is booted, and in case you're wondering the specification of this device, this phone has a massive screen of 6.0 inches, full HD plus display. The specification is octa-core CPU, 1.5 GHz, but core 4 gig, 64 gig RAM, 4 gig RAM, 64 gig RAM. The battery, which I suppose is the selling point of this device, the battery is 8500 milliamp battery. It supports fast charging. The camera, I don't know which is which. The camera, one of them is 21 megapixel and one of them is 8 megapixel. Why the front facing camera 13 megapixel and it does support Face ID and fingerprint sensor? I don't think it's Face ID. For me, I would rather call it photo ID than Face ID because it can be fooled. I've not tested this one, but I have 90% assurance that this can be fooled by just a picture. You know, if you scan your face on it as a security lock, which I would not recommend because it's a low budget device and I'm not gonna blame them for that. So 110 quid price as of now, the iPhone cost. But looking at it, if you don't mind carrying every phone, yeah, you know, you don't just carry every phone for no reason. You carrying every phone because of the battery. If you don't mind, why not? The gorgeous screen, I like the screen, like everything about the phone at the moment, and it does support NFC. So NFC, let's see. The phone has inbuilt NFC. I don't know if this can be used for mobile payment, but I suppose I'm gonna try this out and I'm gonna give you the feedback. I mean, this is Google Pay, so if it's not gonna work, it's not gonna work. It's gonna say your phone doesn't have NFC. So maybe, yeah, it's asking me to hide a card, as you can see. So I guess this is gonna work. The camera on the back says is 21 megapixel and 5 megapixel. You know what? I've always said it's rather want one single camera than two cameras. And anyway, I believe the picture quality of this device is gonna be okay, not great, but okay, you know. So I just want to test how quickly the camera focuses on this. Okay, let's see. That's it. Focus very quickly on that one and that one too. You can see. Yeah, that's all right. I'm gonna take pictures now. Let's see what quality we're gonna be getting. See this? It's all right. It's okay quality. Like I said, it's not something great. It's not something you're gonna. Looking at all these outdoor pictures, you can see the quality. It's not that bad, but this is okay. Come on, for the price. This is a budget phone, not just on camera side, on battery side. So for me, I think it's a good buy phone. You know, when you buy this kind of device, you should not complain much. The only thing I don't have is just the weight, which it can be forgiven. When it comes to gaming, I don't think you're gonna go wrong with this device. You can see snappy, fast. So that's all I know. You know, this is not a game test, this is not a gameplay. It's just a quick gaming with the device, you know. So you can see how snappy it is. I'm still gonna do a game test. I'm still gonna do gaming performance test like I normally do for this device. But this one, I'm enjoying it. Let's see how the sound perform on this device, the sound quality. Let's see what we get on sound quality on this kind of device. This is what you get for the sound quality. That's your speaker. This is your speaker. This is nothing. So far so good. I like the phone and I can recommend the device. But one thing that really shocked me was when I was buying this phone, I was told it's going to run Android 8.1 out of the box. This phone is still running Android 7.0. Why? This is a 7.0, you can see on the screen. And there's no wireless update. I tried the wireless update, nothing. Check for update, nothing. So I don't know why Bluboo decided to do this. I don't know if they con people by doing this. I don't really know what's up. But this is not good. They gotta be truthful. But all in all, it's a great device. And the next thing I'm gonna be doing with this phone is the gaming performance test. You know, and then I will test it for a couple of days, see what are the bad things. But the only bad thing at the moment is the screen gets too hot. I don't know why. I don't know if it's due to the screen. I don't know if it's due to the battery. I just hope this phone will not explode, you know. But the screen gets too hot. I'm here. From this part to the top is getting hotter. Now it's looking like it's unbearable. I don't know. Maybe because it's warm outside, I don't know why. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. I do appreciate your time. Honestly speaking, I do appreciate your time. And I will see you when I'm making a video. Bye. God bless.